Hey guys, so today I'm going to attempt to make the biggest hair bun. So I'm going to show you what my bun looks like my typical bun would look like. So hold on 1 minute. That's how big my hair bun is. Like, it's my manufacturing all by myself. But I am going to be making a bigger bun than this with the help of these donuts right here. So I'll see if I could actually make a one of those like big hair donuts. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the top. Right there. And then I'm gonna spread the hair all over. That looks so funny. It actually looks kind of cool as well, but yeah. Okay, so I found one. I'm not sure how stretchy we can stretch this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair, put my hair around it basically. And then I'm going to take this. I'm not even sure what I'm doing. Why did I just look scary right now? Okay. The rest of the hair, which is still a lot, I'm just going to wrap my hair around it. This other one, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Just like that. Oh my goodness. Okay. Look at that. It's the weirdest thing ever, but that's what it looks like right now. I mean, not bad, not bad. So yeah. It's actually kind of cute, okay. Alright, so that is one big bun. Okay, now this time I'm gonna try those like moon buns, 2 mini buns up here, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm sweating right now, but let's try the second hairstyle. So I'm gonna leave 2 of these right here, and I'm just going to part my hair in the middle, just like that. And I'm going to make a 2 ponytails, basically. I'm gonna show you what my buns will look like without the hair donuts, so. Okay, so that's what my bun looks like typically without a hair donut. So let's try and see if we put a hair donut and see how big these buns can get. So I guess they're typically like mini cute right now. I will be putting bobby pins just to hold that in place for a while. Oh my gosh, I don't think my head has enough space for these buns actually. Now I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Gonna spread the hair all over. I'm gonna get a bobby pin. Do the exact same thing on the other side just to hold it. There it is. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. I think I divided my hair unevenly because this side I can tell that it's like a lot bigger than this side. Alright, so that's what it looks like right now. It's heavy on my head. Just so you guys know, there they kind of look like horns, like buns horns. It doesn't even look cute anymore. They just look like sound systems or something. It's funny, but yeah. And the back is a mess as well. Alright, so that is it, you guys. I hope you all like this fun video. I've always wanted to see what my hair looks like if it was put in those mini foam buns. So now I know the potential of my buns. I'm starting to get mild headaches, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove them. But this was very fun to do though, so yeah. Also, let me know in the comments down below, what more hairstyles would you all like me to try out? Because I've been eyeing on like different hairstyles to do on my long hair. So that's it. I'll see you all